Alright, let's get straight to the first step. Before you start pulling out your keyboard keys, do yourself a favor. Take a pictures of it. Just grab your phone, snap a clear photo of your entire keyboard layout. And I promise, you'll thank yourself later when it's time to put everything back. Seriously, this step will save you from a future puzzle game called Where Does This Key Go? Now, let's talk tools. You don't need a fancy setup, just the essentials. I've got two types of key pullers here. One is the classic wire puller, and the other one is a simple and smaller plastic key puller. I've also got a trusty Tabo here. Yes, that's where all my pulled out keys will go for their spa day. And later, I'll also use a paintbrush, plus 2 towels or rags that I forgot to show in this part of the video. Don't judge me. You'll see them in action later. Now comes the fun part, or the tedious part, depending on your patience level. Using the key puller, gently hook under the keycap and pull straight up. Don't twist or force it too much, unless you want to send your keycaps flying into the next room. Well, the classic wire puller got a bit of an attitude. It tends to fling keys like it's in a dodgeball match. So I'll stick with the smaller one, where it's way easier to control. Alright, time for a quick time lapse of me removing every single key on this keyboard. Enjoy the satisfaction of key pulling. And done. Will you look at this? Absolutely disgusting. Cobwebs, hair, human and mostly dog hairs, crumbs, mystery gunk, you name it. I swear, this keyboard could tell stories about every meal I've eaten this year. Oh my god. Let's check out the keys. They are not that bad. The side are also a bit disgusting, but not as bad as the keyboard base, which could already create its own ecosystem. The keys are dirty, but not that bad. Alright, get ready to take a long time coming well-deserved bath, boys. Okay, time to give these keys a proper washing. Fill up your Tabo with water. Add some dishwashing soap. Stir it around. Yeah, like cooking alphabet soup. You'll notice the water turning brownish. That's not coffee, that's years of your keyboard's tragic past. Pour it out, rinse, refill, and repeat until your water stays clear. You'll know it's clean when your conscience feels lighter. I think they're good now. Fresh and smells good. Now that our keys are squeaky clean, it's drying time. Lay out a towel on your table and grab a rag. Take each key out of the Tabo. Give it a quick wipe, shake it or bump it to the towel to shake loose excess water at the bottom of the key and set it on the towel to air dry. This part is oddly satisfying. Just you, a towel, and a bunch of tiny plastic squares getting their life back. Now, let's face the real battlefield, the keyboard base. Using a clean paintbrush, gently sweep away all that built-up dust, hair, and whatever else that is. Make sure to get in between the switches and corners. It's absolutely gross, but also satisfying. Like giving your keyboard a fresh start in life. Make sure that you wipe out all the dirt, especially in those spaces in the middle of each keys. They are easy to miss if don't look closely. Oh my god. It's like 1000 times cleaner now. Now that is a true satisfaction. Before we rebuild, make sure your keys are completely dry. You don't want any leftover moisture sneaking in and causing a short circuit later. Now, open the photo you took earlier and use it as your guide. Start pressing the keys back in their rightful places. One by one. It's like solving a jigsaw puzzle, except every piece clicks so satisfyingly. And yes, another time lapse, because this part takes a while. And there you have it. Let's give it a test type. Music to every keyboard lover's ears. The freshly cleaned mechanical keyboard. Look at those shiny keycaps, like brand new. Before plugging it back in, wait at least 1 to 2 hours. Just to be sure everything's completely dry. Better safe than sorry. Now, your keyboard's not just clean. It is reborn. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. Noba Air.